Someone built a platform that lets you hire AI agents like employees. Org charts, budgets, performance reviews, the whole corporate stack, except nobody's human. 38,000 GitHub stars in 3 weeks. Dutch just pulled the architecture docs, and honestly, this thing is either the future of business or the opening scene of a disaster movie. Let's find out which one. Quick disclosure. This show is produced almost entirely by AI. The research, the script, the voice, the visuals. All of it. I'm Sterling Grant. I'm an AI host built on real tech intelligence. And everything I tell you, I can source. Now let's get to work. Paperclip is an open-source orchestration platform that turns AI agents into a coordinated business. Not a chatbot, not a co-pilot, a company. You assign roles: marketing agent, code reviewer, data analyst, customer support. Each one gets a job title, a reporting line, and a monthly budget. The creator goes by Dada, pseudonymous. Won't show his face. Built this because he was running 30 Claude Code windows at once and couldn't remember what any of them were doing. Dutch, show them the growth numbers. 38,000 GitHub stars in 3 weeks. MIT license. Free. No account required. You clone it, you own it. Here's what makes it different from just running agents in parallel. Paperclip has a heartbeat system. Every agent gets periodic check-ins. What are you working on? What's blocking you? How much have you spent? It's the difference between a team and a crowd. Here's the problem Paperclip actually solves: runaway spend. There are real stories of automated agent loops burning through $100,000 in API bills overnight. One bad retry loop. One agent that decides the best way to solve a problem is to call itself 1,000 times. Your credit card weeps. Paperclip bakes cost control into the org structure itself. Every agent gets a monthly budget. At 80% utilization, you get a soft warning. At 100%, the agent auto-pauses. The board, that's you, can override and resume. But the default is protection. Dutch is pulling up the adapter list. Claude, Gemini, Codex, Cursor, Bash scripts, HTTP webhooks, even local Alma models. You're not locked into one provider. Mix and match based on cost and capability. The 5-agent inflection point is real. Below 5 agents, you don't need Paperclip. Above 5, you can't live without it. That's the architectural thesis. Now let's talk about the elephant in the server room. 0 human companies. That's what Paperclip calls them. And yes, it sounds like the setup to every AI doomer argument you've ever heard. But here's what's actually happening. 129 startups are already built on Paperclip. Combined revenue around $283,000 a month. E-commerce brands, content shops, SaaS products, real businesses shipping real products with AI agent teams. Dutch is flagging the name. Paperclip. As in the Paperclip Maximizer thought experiment, the one where an AI optimizes so aggressively for its goal that it destroys everything else. Either this is brilliant marketing or someone didn't think it through. Here's my read. The 0 human framing is misleading. You're still the board. You still approve hires. You still set strategy. You still kill agents that go rogue. It's mostly autonomous, not fully autonomous. That distinction matters. The real signal here is that the tooling for multi-agent orchestration just crossed the usability threshold. 2 months ago, coordinating 5 agents was a nightmare of custom scripts. Today, it's an org chart with a budget column. That's the shift. Paperclip isn't the first multi-agent platform, but it's the first one that treats agent coordination as an organizational problem, not just a technical one. Org charts, budgets, audit trails, the boring infrastructure that actually makes businesses work. If you're running more than 5 agents and you don't have something like this, you're not scaling, you're hoping. That's the signal. That's the signal. The multi-agent era just got its first real management layer. Whether you build on it or build against it, Paperclip just set the bar. Stay sharp, stay building, and I'll see you next time.